So this is now part 21 of how to build a bedroom. I wanted to make this actually the last episode, but I just realized it's getting too long. So in this episode you will see me installing the floor panels, which is a floating floor with made of pressed wood with a hardened surface. And then the next episode after this will be part 22, and that will be the final part where I installed the wood framing around the floor. So now enjoy the video of how I install the floor. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'm gladly answering any question. If necessary, I will make a video about it to explain it in a better way. And let me know if you like the video or not. So enjoy the video, have fun. So after this thorough cleaning, the first thing I did was to spread the impact sound insulation. It's about 4 millimeters thick. It's a special foam, kind of a memory foam, just a little bit harder, where the laminate is on top. This way you, first of all, you can just correct a little bit an uneven surface, and the steps you take on it are then by sound reduced. It's still hard enough that you don't press it together, but the laminate will be perfectly straight. Then the next thing is to install the laminate, which you do, you put the first panel down, make sure you keep distance from the wall about a ½ inch or 1 centimeter. And then you place the part down, the first one, and measure the remaining one. Then I always went upstairs to my meter saw to cut it in lengths. I cut it out of the video for time's sakes, and then you put it together. You just click it in like this, press it down, and it's connected. And then when the places are here, the plates are here, then you come with the next plate like this and click it down. And that is how you go on, and you will see this now in time lapse how I finish until the last part. The last part I show you a little bit more detail because I had to measure gaps out, small corners, but you will see. last gap, and you can see here now we have the corners of the wall. So I use my jigsaw to cut it out. First I tape it so I can use my normal biro to write on it, and then cut it along the cuts and I fit it in. So here the close-up. Again I used the tape, mark it with my pen, but then I went upstairs to the big saw to cut it, to make a straight cut, because with the jigsaw you will always get a little bit of bow in it. So I did that cut upstairs, and you see me placing it again in, clip it down, next one as well, and finally I used some acrylic glue to glue it down at that place, before I now mount the stepping angle at the end to finish the laminate at the doors. Now here we make bigger holes in the laminate so that at the end it's only clamped down but can move. One last part is coming tomorrow, which shows me how I put the wood frame around, as in the connection between the floor and the wall, to close that gap we left for the floating floor. I hope you like this video. Leave some comments below and please subscribe if you want to see more of such videos. Take care, have a wonderful day.